April 2nd could change global trade forever.
April 2nd, reciprocal tariffs kick in. And whatever they tariff us, other countries, we will tariff them. That's reciprocal, back and forth.
Trump has threatened to hit even America's closest allies with reciprocal tariffs. And India is in the line of fire also.
India charges us massive tariffs, massive. You can't even sell anything into India. India charges us auto tariffs higher than 100%.
But is India ready for this trade war? And what should the world's fifth largest economy do next? Join us on Cut the Noise and follow Grip Invest for more insights on the biggest financial shifts shaping our world. Trump's reciprocal tariffs are a policy of imposing equal or higher tariffs on countries that charge high tariffs on US goods. Today, Trump's tariffs are causing uncertainty and fears across the world. Global growth is expected to slow from 3.2% in 2024 to 3.1% in 2025 and 3% in 2026. Research analysts estimate that India could lose up to $7 billion per year from these reciprocal tariffs. And sectors like metals, chemicals, jewelry, pharmaceuticals, and automobiles face a greater risk. As per reports, India estimates that these tariffs could hit 87% of India's exports to the US. India depends heavily on the US for trade, its largest trading partner in 2024. But the US doesn't rely as much on India, ranking it only 10th on its trade list. This imbalance makes India more vulnerable to tariffs. Adding to the challenge, India has some of the highest tariff rates in the world. If you look at the US, the average tariff is 2.2%, China is 3%, and India's is a whopping 12%. In the long run, tariffs reduce trade and are often seen as a protectionist tools, mainly used by low-income countries to shield local industries from stronger global competition. Many economists believe that these high tariffs have hurt Indian industries. Instead of competing on quality and efficiency, companies rely on government protection, which weakens India's global competitiveness. Today, India stands at a crossroad in the face of Trump's tariffs, to become more protectionist or to become more open. And today, India seems to be shifting gears again. Last month, India lowered tariffs on bourbon whiskey, motorcycles, and some other US products. Reports suggest India is open to lowering tariffs on 55% of US imports that are currently taxed between 5% and 30%. This would be the biggest tariff cut in years. Take a look at the statement that India's Commerce Ministry released this month. It urges Indian exporters to come out of their protectionist mindset and encourage them to be bold. In a surprising move, India's telecom giants, Airtel and Jio, are teaming up with Elon Musk's Starlink. This signals a shift from protectionist policies to a more open economy. Experts believe India should lower tariffs across all sectors and products rather than reducing them only for specific countries or industries. There is one big concern when it comes to reducing tariffs. That is foreign players like China flooding Indian markets with cheap goods, potentially harming domestic industry. For that, India can use non-tariff barriers against such countries and in cases of proven dumping. India stands at a crossroads, protectionism or global trade. Cutting tariffs could make it a leader in global commerce, shaping the future instead of just reacting to it. Should India lower tariffs to boost trade or protect its industries with higher barriers? What do you think is the right path forward? Tell us in the comments.
Investments in debt securities, municipal debt securities, securitized debt instruments are subject to risks including delay and or default in payment. Read all the offer related documents carefully.